Hello everyone, so here's a quick preview of LENSA AI Avatar Photo Editor app, which is going viral. As you can see, it's in the top charts. Why is that? Yeah, because of this killer feature, which is called Magic Avatars. Basically, you can create 50, 100, 200 new avatars just based on your selfies. But let's just go through the app. So originally, this is an app where you can add some of your photos and then you can do some retouch. For example, you can use some like one of your photo, and then there are a bunch of filters which you can apply, which you can see all of these filters like this here. You can blur background, for example. You can do like face retouch, just depending. So something like that. Then you can adjust all these different things like eye contrast, this whitening, for example, like this. And all of these elements. Then there is like a background which you can blur. You can adjust all these balances, add some additional effects. There's all these art styles which you can add. And yeah, this was like the previous version of the app. This app is pretty good just for doing that. If you want to add more of these elements, like yeah, so you can do something like this, for example. Filters. Yeah, so that's what you can do. But the main feature right now why this app is going viral is called Magic Avatars, where you can generate mind-blowing avatar from your photos with one of the most advanced AI ever created. And yeah, so what to expect? So these are the type of avatars you can expect. So this is, to be clear, this is not like an image, for example, the exact photo you took, and then it just adds this like a bit of the artistic style. So these are completely new photos generated based on your own selfies. So you upload 10, 20 selfies in different positions, in different postures, and then you get completely new pictures of yourself, which you can then use on whatever you want to use them. Because this is AI, sometimes there are some artifacts, weird things with AI, and there are like, 3 legs or something like that, and some things don't work here. Yeah, because yeah, so there you have it. And then you just need to upload good quality photos, close-up selfies, same person, adults, variety of backgrounds, facial expressions. So here's a good example and bad photo examples where it's either you are too much in background or anything like it. And then you can just select 10, 20 selfies. So for example, you just go to your selfies album, then you can just select all of those. Yeah, just add them, like whatever, and then you just add them, and then you will be able to generate okay, so 10 photos is required. So let's select more. So let's just select just some few more random photos, and then it's just being uploaded. Yeah, if in case you want to delete your data later, you can do it, and then you just select your gender, and there you have it. Now you need to actually upgrade and do one-time purchase. If you want 50 unique avatars, you need to pay $6. Why is it paid? Magic Avatars consume tremendous computation power to create amazing avatars. It's expensive, but we made it as affordable as possible. So yeah, it's either $6 for 50 unique avatars, it's a one-time payment, or $8. You can also get 50% off if you start your subscription. Yearly subscription is $29.99 per year, and then probably you can get like your 50 avatar for $3 or something like that. And then you can just purchase, and then you would have 50 unique avatars, and you will have 5 variations of 10 styles. So yeah, and then you will just have them. So I think this is the main feature of the app. Why is it in the top charts right now? Why is it going viral? There are so many apps in this new category right now. A lot of them using this stable diffusion AI model or algorithm. I don't know what's the best way. It's basically like API, and it's like AI API which you can use on your websites, in your apps, and just generate all these styles of avatars based on your previous photos. Then the same you can do with videos. I mean, the same with photos you can do with videos. Then, of course, there are settings. You can create an account, or you can also do all of this stuff without an account. If you created an account, then you can just tap to delete it in case you are concerned with your data. So the data to this account will be deleted if you delete it here. Then, of course, there are plans. You can see here there's like yearly plan, monthly, weekly. Yeah, you can also change your appearance. So there is icon. You can change your icon. You can change your theme, light, dark, or system theme. There are also some FAQ. So something like that. You can read more here. So yeah, this is the app. I think that's the main feature right there, Magic Avatar. So definitely give it a try. There are a bunch of other apps like Avatar AI and some other. There is new app every day, probably in this category, but this is cool. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Then you can use these avatars like in Twitter, on your some messaging chats and Discord. Some of them I think you can even use on LinkedIn, or you can use them yeah, like or whatever in the dating apps. And some of them, yeah, you can probably, there will be like official styles, you know, when you need to have like a really nice looking LinkedIn photo or professional photo, but you don't have time to go to this like expensive photo service. So maybe you can just use this app. I'm not sure if you can actually generate passport photo here, probably not, but it's getting pretty close. Like, when the quality of these AI touches will be quite good, and it will look almost as good if you just go to, like, you know, some super expensive photo shoot and really make a nice photo. So there you have it. Hope it is helpful.